Here we go again. We got a mystery case of basic for Halloween. So, you're going to want to subscribe and comment to win this thing. Real quick before we open the case. The drawing is on Halloween right now. We've got 2 sets of Desert Rally. We've got 2 sets of Retro P. We've got 2 sets of Retro N. We've got 4 Team Transport winners. And we're going to have 4 winners from this case right here. I pulled this off one of our racks in what I call the deep freeze. I have a general idea of what it is. And if it is what I think it is, then it's going to be absolutely perfect for this week's giveaway. Let's pop this thing open, see what's in here. Oh yeah, it is what I thought it was. Check this out, guys. Again, sometimes I'm not sure where we got things or how we get things, but this one right here, someone handed to us, and I'm not even sure what I paid for it. But you can see a couple of good cars in there. You can see a couple of the Halloween cars in there. This is a Halloween assortment. So, as usual, this time, you know what? We'll speed it up a little bit. We'll go 6x6. But this is the Halloween assortment. This is the assortment where they actually made wheels for this set. It's got like the skull wheels on them. So the first 6 cars are all Zodics. Again, card back, super cool. Let me re-assort this real quick. Card backs are cool. Got the cool artwork on there. And then the Zodic. Can you guys see those wheels? It's got there it is. The black skull. It's got the Halloween on it. Little alien face. It's got a jack-o'-lantern green thing on the top there. Logo. The next 6 cars. There's 3 more Zodics. And then there's 3 muscle tones. They all have the same card back, which has a cool Halloween artwork on it. This one right here says Graveyard Drift. It's actually got 2 color wheels on this. I want to say that one of these models glows in the dark, or parts of it does. Got like a green lightning bolt on it. Graveyard Drift. The next 6 are the muscle tone again. The next 6 are a cool car. Right here it's called Great Gatsby. This one's got the white wheels with the skulls. That's really easy to see the skull on that one. That one's upside down. I like that particular model. Okay, then it's got 6 more Gatspeeds. And then it's got a Scorcher. The black wheels with the yellow skulls on it. Very cool. Then the next 6 are all Scorchers. So there's 9 of each car in this case. It's an 8-car set. So there's 9 sets per box. So we'll take out the divider and we'll give you another top down of the case. Check those out. Again, doing 6x6. The basic openings can get a little unwieldy because of how many cars there are. Start in the back this time. Okay, so there's 6 of the identical. Nope. There's 3 Olds 442s. This one's got kind of a clear, transparent wheel on it, like a. Actually, you know what? This looks very similar to the Desert Rally one. Check that out. It's got the blue frost skull on it. Then there's the Ratical Racer. Very cool. The next 6 are 3 more of the Olds 442. And then 3 more of the Ratical Racer. The next 6 are the same thing again. Got 3 more of the Olds 442 and 3 more of the Ratical Racer. The next 6 are all the same thing. This one's pretty cool, guys. This is probably my favorite one in the set here. 71 Plymouth Satellite. It's got the Mummy motors on the side. Gold. It's got all black rims on it. I like that car. The next 6 are 3 more of the Plymouth. And then there's 3 49 Ford F1s. This one is probably the best looking car in the case. Again, super sweet. I still like the Plymouth Satellite the best, but this one's got the orange and black with the Halloween tampo on it. Very cool. And then that's the end of the box with this last 6 here. You've got 6 more of the 49 Ford F1. So here's what we're going to do. Give me 1 second to organize this. Put together some sets. I can't even tell you how many sets we've made over the years, guys. Old 442, Plymouth Satellite. Here's what a set will look like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different. So I'm going to give away 4 of these right here. I'm going to do a subscriber, a commenter, a subscriber, and a commenter. So 2 to subs, 2 to commenters. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you got to ask yourself why if you haven't, because I couldn't explain that to you because of how much we've given away, and this is our 3rd run. So on Halloween, here's the 5 things that we're going to give away. Again, we'll probably do at least 1 more video this week before the drawing so that you guys can win even more stuff. Have a happy Halloween this week. Hope to see you guys again soon. Thank you. Wheel Collectors out.